Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to enable back tap on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Scroll all the way down and tap on Back Tap. Here you'll see two options, double tap and triple tap. First, tap on double tap. Choose the action you want it to perform, like screenshot, control center, torch, or volume controls. After selecting the action, go back to the back tap menu. Now tap on triple tap. Again, choose a different action you want to assign, for example, opening the app switcher or turning on magnifier. Both actions will be applied instantly. Now tap the back of your iPhone 2 times to test double tap and 3 times to test triple tap. And that's it. You've successfully enabled both double tap and triple tap back tap actions on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.